starting on with ayah number 14. وَرَبَطْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ. Okay, so this ayah starts with letter wow. So we are going to shape our lips in a round position when saying wow. Wow. Okay, this is pronounced without shaping your lips round as well, right? But we are supposed to be making our lips round. Okay. وَرَبَطْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ. Then there is raw. So we are going to make it pur, which means that we are going to make it heavy. Raw rather than ra. Wa raw. Wa rabatna. And then there is ba and ta. So ta, I told you yesterday as well that this is different than ta. Okay, this is a bit heavy, like ta. So we are going to put the tip of our tongue at the back of our upper teeth, and we are going to, touch that very strongly, like thaw. And I also told you that in English we say the word, like article. So the sound, we are going to make that sound a bit heavy, like thaw, thaw. Okay, wa rabata. Sorry, like not the t sound, like t and ta. Okay. وَرَبَطْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ. And then there is a. A. Okay. So this letter is pronounced when the middle portion of our when like middle portion of our throat from the middle portion of our throat, a is articulated. Ala. على قلوبهم. And then there is this qaf. Qaf. So qaf is articulated from when the back part of our tongue touches the soft palate, like with strength, like qaf. And in qaf, we are not going to shape our lips in a round position, okay? قلوبهم. But because here qaf has dhamma on it, so automatically our lips will be round. But when kaf is going to have fatha, the above slanting line on it, so we are not going to shape our lips round, okay? على قلوبهم إذ قاموا. Okay, so then there is ha, him. قلوبهم إذ قاموا. So that is what I was talking about here. This letter qaf has fatha on it, the above slanting line symbol. So we are not going to make our lips round, okay? Qa. Rather, we are going to say it by raising the back part of our tongue as much as we can, okay? Qaf. And we are going to touch the soft palate. إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات. Okay, then there is letter fa. So air is removed from our mouth when saying fa, just like English F, fa. فقالوا. So two letters are coming again and again. That is qa and that is raw as well. Okay, so raw is poor as well, is heavy. Raw, raw. ربنا ربنا رب ربنا رب السماوات. And then after Rabbu there comes as-samawat. In sa we are going to like produce a whistle sound in it, okay? Rabbus Rabbus sa Rabbus samawati. And then there is meme and wow coming together. So whenever there is going to be wow, we are going to make our lips round, okay? Because meme and wow, they articulate from the same position from the lips. So we are going to differentiate their voices. Meme is articulated just with the lips, but just by joining them, like meme, ma. But in wow, we are going to shape the lips in a round position, like wa, sama, wa. السماوات والأرض. Okay, then again there is wow and أرضي. Okay, so in wow, making your lips round, and then the raw here is going to be heavy. Okay, and then ضي. So this is a bit tricky, right? So ضي, So in the, we are also going to make it sound heavy, but then again, there is like kasra beneath it, which is the below slanting line. So kasra makes the word sound a bit light. But again, because this is the quality of this word, that this should be heavy one. So this is going to be heavy, but there is kasra as well. So we are going to do both of these things side by side, like the. Okay. Wal ardi. لن ندعو من دونه. Okay, then there is لن ندعو. So in لن ندعو, there is a rule applied here of noon sakin or tanween, which says that whenever after noon sakin or tanweens come any letter from these four letters like ya, waw, mim, and noon, from which noon is here, okay? Any letter comes after noon sakin from these letters, then we are going to do idgham, which is like joining these two letters and then doing gunna, which means we are going to stay for a bit. Like this, lan. We are not pronouncing this noon here, okay? We are pronouncing this noon here. Like lan, we're joining lam with noon and then lan nad'uwa. Okay, then on dal we did something which is called kalkala, and in kalkala the sound reflects bounces back or reflects back. Okay, nad rather than nad, we are saying nad. Lan nad'uwa, uwa, uwa. Okay, lan nad'uwa min dunihi. Okay, in min dunihi, I have like, hide the voice of noon here because this is a rule which is called ikhfa. Okay, ikhfa means hiding something. Min dunihi, I have hide the voice of noon here because the rule says whenever after noon sakin or tanween comes any letter from 17 letters, from which da is one of them, then we are going to hide the voice of noon. Okay, min dunihi ilaha. So in I have prolonged the voice of ha here like dunihi, and we are going to do that for four counts. On you can count them on your fingers like 1 2 3 4. So I have make it long for that period of time like dunihi ilaha. Okay. إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا. Okay, so here again there is a rule that whenever after noon sakin or tanween, tanween is here on ha, right? So whenever after these like noon sakin or tanweens come two letters like from lam or ra, then we are going to join these two together and we are not going to stay. Like we are saying ilaha, just that, just joining, okay? إله لقد قلنا إذا شططا. Okay, then qaf again, not shaping your lips round, and then dal. Again on dal, we are doing something which is called qalqala, which happens on five letters, which are qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal, and voice is going to bounce back like قد لقد قلنا إذا شططا. Okay, and again قلنا, there we are we're going to prolong our voice for four counts because there is mud here after noon. Okay, and then in إذا شططا, there is again a rule of noon sakin and noon tanween. Okay, so you're not going to worry. Again, I'm repeating because the PDF is provided in WhatsApp group. You can check after the class as well. Okay, إذا شططا. This is a rule of noon sakin or tanween, that whenever after noon sakin or tanween comes any letter from 17 letters from which sha is one of them, then we are going to hide the voice of n in idhan. Idhan ends in n sound. So we are going to hide that n sound. Idhan shatata, then sha. This sha letter has the quality that the air is spreads out in the mouth like sha, sha, like either sha ta ta, and then ta and ta two times. Okay, ta, we are going to say it with strength. Okay, ta, ta. And again, we're not going to shape our lips round. We are going to rather raise the back part of our tongue to make it sound heavy. Then ta and ta. إذا شطط.